will never hit 10K online if you keep on doing this. And no, it's not your niche, it's not your funnels, and it's not your content. It's something way deeper. And honestly, it's taken me years to admit that I'm guilty of doing this very one thing. So if you're brave enough, let's talk about the real reason why you're stuck. Everyone blames the strategy. The algorithm changed. Affiliate marketing is dead. Nobody's clicking my links. The offer sucks. But if you're honest with yourself, here's the truth. You're dabbling. You're tiptoeing. You're taking this whole thing like a side hustle, You're not treating it like the real thing. Like this is going to be the life-changing wealth to change your life. You scroll more than you create. You binge tutorials and you don't take action. And then the most popular, you try 5 different things, but you don't master any of them. Pause. That was actually me I was talking about, and it kept me broke. My name is Antonio of Operation Emancipation Occupation, here to help you kick your 9-to-5 to the curb. I teach all things making money online, affiliate marketing especially. But if you're in survival mode, looking to change that around to a mode of thriving, and you want to create digital wealth and freedom physically, financially, spiritually, then go ahead, hit that subscribe channel, and you want to finish watching this video. Because I'm going to touch on why you're not making $10,000 a month. There's no excuse. Watch this to the end so that you can get all of my secrets. I hold nothing back. I remember the exact moment when it happened. I was sitting there wondering why nothing has been clicking. Why I haven't been making real money, even though I knew everything. People knew way less than what I did and was making way more than what I was making. But knowing does not pay you. Execution does. Eric Thomas, the motivational speaker, he says execution is worship. Cody Sanchez, she raises hundreds of millions of dollars all the time for venture capitalists. And she says the money part is the easiest thing because investors don't want to do the work. They're looking for somebody to do it because they're willing to give money to those who execute. So one day I said, Antonio, either take this seriously or stop pretending that you really want to make $10,000 a month. That day I chose seriousness. I chose to execute. And you know what changed? Not the algorithm, not the content, not the niche, not the platform, not the course, not the method, me. My discipline, my focus, me. And so here's the uncomfortable truth, the part that 90% of online marketers, especially beginners, want to avoid. Most people want the money, but not the monotony. That's a pretty big word. I gotta salute myself on that one. The monotony is the boring tasks, the repetitive efforts, the staying consistent, the reading the data, becoming a mad scientist about your business and taking it seriously. The invisible days where nobody likes, comments, or shares or purchases. But come here, you want to learn the real cheat code? Consistency does most of the work for you when you have the right systems in place. This is where I have been incorporating AI in my business. It's done wonders for me. I've avoided it for a very long time, and now I'm glad that I did. This is not get rich quick, but rather this is to make consistency automatic. So let's go ahead and reveal this thing, because here's the formula that I want to break down for you. 1 traffic source, 1 strategy, 1 community, automation, real mentors. The first one, traffic source. You're watching me here on YouTube. YouTube has worked wonders for me. I started TikTok. TikTok is cool, but I'm not really seeing the return on investment. I'm seeing the views, I'm seeing the clicks, email signups, but as far as making the money, YouTube is what works best for me right now. So I double down on it. Guess what you should do? Pick 1 platform and double down on it. Number 2, the 1 strategy. On this channel, I typically teach affiliate marketing. I do all types of other stuff, but really I'm narrowing down on affiliate marketing because it's the easiest thing to jump into and to make money and build capital before you do all of the other advanced techniques. This is simple, this is scalable, and it's proven. The blueprint I have chosen to do this with is Freedom Accelerator. It is an investment of the course, but guess what? The return on investment is like 100x times whatever. Okay, for this small investment, you can make 1 or 2 sales of the program itself and pay yourself back within 30 days. We're talking about a 6-figure lifestyle within 9 to 12 months if you take your business seriously. What would that do for you? Then the next thing, 1 community. For me, I drive people over to my Facebook group. If you guys want to get access to me, it's almost like one-on-one that's free. I charge at least $500 to $1,000 per hour for a free session. You can skip all of that by joining my Facebook group and joining me in conversation. I answer questions. I'm in there. I'm hosting stuff. Jump in there. For a lot of you, maybe you can create a school group or a Discord group. If you don't want a community, plug them into another community. You're developing something that makes individuals excited to work with you and purchase from you again. Number 4, automation. I've already told you that I've been using AI a lot. I'm going to continue down on this trend. AI with automation, I use ChatGPT. It allows me to make scripts. This video right here, I did an outline for the script with ChatGPT. My TikToks are crushing it because of AI. My email automation, AI. Listen, I teach you how to do all of this stuff within my affiliate marketing video course. I use it in my business. It's only $47 right now. It teaches you how to make your first 0 to 10K online and how I use it currently. But the problem is that it's going to bump up to $297 after I get my first 10 purchasers. So I need some beta testers. I want you to be one of the 10. Go ahead, click the link down below and purchase it. I'm giving extra attention to the first 10 that the rest will not get. I teach AI and automation in there. You can also see some of the videos that I created on how I've been making good money with AI. I'm going to leave the link for those below. Also, above my head, I'm going to leave a card so that you can go ahead and click it. Just watch that video. Then number 5, I'm going to say mentorship. This has been huge for me because whenever I get stuck, I'm going to have accountability, somebody to ask me, is everything okay? And procrastination will not set in. I also get to learn from other people's mistakes rather than trying to learn it on my own, which again, I'm going to recommend Freedom Accelerator because it's the course, it's the ability to make 75% commission on a high ticket product. I believe in it. It's helped me in my business, but also there's a phenomenal community and I provide mentorship. If you use my affiliate link, I will hop in the trenches with you. For 8 weeks, I'll give you my thoughts, my insights. I'll look at your business. If you're going to make an investment on this course, I want you to succeed and I'm going to invest in you with my time, energy, and efforts. If you combine all 5 of these things, it is almost impossible to not hit 10K months. The tools is there, the help is there, but I don't know how you will take it. I don't know if you will step up to the plate and do the work. So again, if you want the exact blueprint that I used in order to help me gain all of the skills, Freedom Accelerator, go ahead, check it out. I got a link down below. If you want more of a cheaper option that allows you to make your first $10,000 online in 90 days, use my affiliate marketing video course. Freedom Accelerator allows you to make your first 10K. Then the next step goes from 10K to 100K and then 100K months if you're nasty. That's the difference between the two. So just a little bit of tough love before I leave. Listen, you have the ability. You already know. You probably know more about online marketing more than what I do. You've got the opportunity. I'm telling you right now, in this video, you can make it, you can do this. But at some point, you have to stop hoping and just hit the 10K months. Become the person who earns it. Make that decision now. If that sounds like you right now in the comments, I want you to say fix it. Because you need to fix it. I'm here to help you fix it. Stop dabbling, stop playing the games. 10K months is on the horizon. Fix it down in the comments right now. Also, don't forget, I spoke about this AI video. It's right here. Go ahead and check it out. You need to watch this in order to automate your business and make things a lot more faster. What used to take minutes and hours now only takes seconds. Check it out. Hit the subscribe button and a thumbs up button. See you guys in the next video.